644 Valley View Drive in Allen, Texas. Right now we are in the main line of the house. What you see in front of you is the beginning of the lateral line going outside. I'm going to start pulling back. Again, this is the main line of the house. Here we have the vent stack coming in up top. A little bit of water made its way in, but that is okay. The lining was not affected. Those marks are from the camera. Here we have the inlet for the shower and toilet. We have air conditioning coming in, and then our laundry. This is up into the vent stack.